Hi, I'm Steve from Amtech. We've been asked a few questions about our Amtech battery and alternator tester, the L4300. So let's go out to the car and have a look. To check the condition of the battery, we're going to be using the Amtech alternator and battery checker with the black crocodile clip that goes onto the negative terminal, and with the red prong you touch the positive terminal. So this must be done with the engine off to check the battery. As I hope you can see, it's got a 12 volt charge. To check the alternator is charging correctly, I've now started the engine. It's running at about 2000 revs. I've got the lights on, the radio on and the heating on, and you should be able to see that I'm getting about 14.5 volts, enough to charge the battery. Thanks for watching. For any other questions regarding tools for the home, garage and garden, please visit amtechdiy.com and we look forward to answering them for you. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our Amtech DIY YouTube channel for more DIY videos. Thank you.